Hey guys, this is Dana Poling, VP of Solutions here at RōBEX, and if you've been following us, you know that autonomous mobile robots are a really big part of what we do, and we've made another huge step in continuing that growth by bringing on our new VP of Mobile Robotics, Matt Charles. So here he is to kind of introduce himself and give you a little more information.
Yeah, thanks Dana. So for the last 3 years I've been with Mobile Industrial Robots, so focused on autonomous mobile robots and working with partners like RōBEX in this manufacturing space of automating some internal logistics and facilities. And it's just an exciting time for a lot of growth in this space, and this opportunity came about with RōBEX. And what they're really seeing is their customer base and the manufacturing side of things is having challenges with the labor shortages and looking for ways to automate their processes in new ways that they haven't quite looked at before. So it's a really unique opportunity for us as a large integrator in this space to be able to go out there and help our customers. And also my role will be partially developing some of the newer spaces in the non-manufacturing side of things with logistic companies, e-commerce, 3PLs, those kind of accounts that we'll be getting more into with the mobile side of things and also on the traditional robotic side of things.
So regardless if you're in manufacturing or warehousing or any other space and you think that mobile robotics might be of benefit to you, feel free to reach out to us at automation@robex.us and we will be happy to help out.